When people start to lose confidence in governments, you start seeing a runoff on the monetary system. When you see a runoff on the monetary system, people start placing their money or cold hard cash into safer havens, whether they trust crypto, whether they trust gold and silver, whatever they trust to put their money in. Sometimes it's real estate, sometimes it's all kinds of stuff. But when there is no confidence in government, you start to see a runoff on the monetary system. And when people start removing their money, that's why they wanted to go digital for the longest time, to prevent people from removing their money. But what's to stop you to transfer your money into crypto? What's to stop you to buy gold and silver on gold? What's to stop you from buying gold and silver on digital debit machine or a debit card or a Visa or a MasterCard? They could limit how much you could spend. They could limit how much you could withdraw. They could limit everything on you. They could have full control of how much you could spend, right? So cash is king. I'm a big cash guy. Cash is the best, and cash is basically legal tender, and it is a promissory note between me and you. And I think cash is king. Yes, cash will lose value through inflationary times. That's why we have gold, silver, and crypto and other things that you could potentially invest in. Right, we've been very big on alternative investments here during when people couldn't buy a house for the last 15 years in the West. So we've been in minus the red states of America. I'm talking about like the overpriced BS. So I've been very vocal about, hey, maybe buy a little bit of this, maybe buy this stock, look at this. I'm not a financial expert, but I'm seeing what's happening to the banks. The black swan will swoop in, and it's going to happen, folks. And they are even arguing that they're going to suspend the next presidential election because of fall in the banking system. So they're even looking at suspending the next election in the United States because of a fall in the banking system, folks. So that is very interesting. So we're going to keep our fingers on the pulse here with you guys and go from there.